This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by locking in a consistent baseline. First, pick the microphone device in your operating system, and in the recording app so Windows or Mac OS stop switching devices. Then, immediately disable any automatic gain control or AGC features, both in the system settings and in the application preferences, because those are what change level without warning. Once done, set a conservative input level, around 50 to 70% or about -18 dBFS, and keep that as your reference point. Next, make the software environment predictable. Update the microphone driver and firmware to the latest stable release so buggy auto-level fixes aren't applied behind your back. Then, in both the OS audio panel and your recording or conferencing app, turn off noise suppression, auto-leveling, enhancements, and any compressor. These process chains change gain dynamically. Also, enable exclusive mode or a use this device only option so other apps cannot grab the mic and alter its gain while you're working. Finally, prefer hardware control. Lock the mic's gain with a physical knob or onboard limiter when possible, because hardware stays constant when software does not. Then, validate by playing or recording a fixed level tone and watching input meters for 5 to 10 minutes. That tells you if levels still drift. If they do, check for background apps, USB hub power issues, operating system power saving settings, or a faulty cable, and replace or reconnect the mic directly to a main port. Those usually solve persistent changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.